everyone, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Rahat, and yeah, today's topic is gonna be something fun. If you all are active on Instagram, you must be knowing that there are so many challenges going on. So I just wanted to make this series which contains all of those Instagram challenges. So today we're gonna do that blush challenge. So let me introduce you to this blush challenge, and it is all about having too much of blush going on underneath your foundation for that natural looking blush look. And for that, all Instagrammers and all those influencers, they use a liquid lipstick or some sort of bullet lipstick. So I've got a bullet lipstick today. So let's see how this turns out to be, because I am really scared to do this. I have never gone overboard with my blushes, so this would be challenging. Before we go ahead, I'm gonna prep my skin a little bit. So I'm gonna use my vitamin E moisture cream by The Body Shop, and I'm just loving this stuff ever since I bought this, if you have watched my vlogs. And yeah, I had asked you in my last vlog that if you want to see my makeup routine in Himachal, and this is what I was using all the time for my trip. So yeah, this is very hydrating, very nice, and this is suitable to all skin types. So if you're looking at good moisturizer, you should definitely get your hands on this one. And for primer today, I'm gonna use my Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, because this is a silicone based one, and during summers, like, I tend to sweat a lot. I'm gonna use this like on my T-zone basically. So my skin is all prepped and primed. Now let's dig into this challenge now. So I'm gonna take this lipstick right here, and I'm gonna show you how this happens. So all you gotta do is take the lipstick, and I'm just gonna grab my mirror here, and what you have to do is you have to apply the lipstick something like that. Also, you have to put it on your nose, and this is how you gotta do this. So now I will just take my sponge here, and I'll start blending this out. I don't know if it is gonna be blended, but I have to. So this is how it looks after I blended this out. And now what we have to do is we have to do our contouring and other stuffs. So for contour today, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm gonna apply that on my contour area. For concealer, I've got my Age Rewind. Just remove a good amount of it, like so, and I will apply that on the areas where I like it. And now I will just start blending all of this out. No, I think I should blend out this contour first, otherwise it will just get dried up. too much. Oh my god, I think I should use this side of my sponge here. So whatever I have blended out, it has all become pink. So I'll just apply a little bit of concealer more, and this time I will just take my brush and I will blend this out. Alright, so far so good. My face looks something like this, and now I will just take my foundation here, and for that I have taken my Maybelline Fit Me 115 Irie, because this is not having much coverage. So let's see how it happens. So after I have blended this out, I don't know if it's me or I am just seeing everything pink here, like wherever I see it's pink whether it's my face or like around here, I cannot see any other color. And if I look at it like up close, it looks like my face has become all pink. And I'm not going gaga over it, because I mean, I'm not a fan of this, but it has definitely given me that natural kind of blush going on my face. So let's do the other steps and then I'll give you my final review of it. I'm just gonna take my bronzer here. With the help of some loose powder, I'm gonna set under my eyes. how my face looks like, and I'm just gonna give a quick shower to my face. And I don't think so I need more blush on my face because I have become all pink. And now I will just do my brows and my eyes and my lips off camera, and I'll be back. Alright ladies, I just went ahead and applied some highlighter here, if you could see. Also I applied a lipstick and some mascara and did my brows. So let's come to the conclusion and my final view about this blush challenge. When I look at my face up close, like I don't know if you could notice, but my face has become all pink. But I just love the output of it, like the result of it, just because I love blush. If you don't love blush, you should start loving the blush, because it'll just change the game of makeup for you. And yeah, I just love this look so far. Just let me know in comments down below, how did you find this challenge right here, because I'm just loving the results. And I don't know if I'm gonna go out like this, but I just love the challenge. And I'm gonna do other challenges as well over here. You guys do let me know how did you find this one. And yeah, let's conclude this video right here, and I will see you in my next one. And yeah, do not forget to like this video, also share this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, you guys, for future videos of mine. And yeah, oh, I can't get my eyes off my face. And yeah, do comment down below. I really wait for your comments, you guys. So I will see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care, stay healthy, and watch my videos. Bye guys.